What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can delete your PC game account. Now, suppose you have made a PC game account and now you want to delete it. The process for that is pretty simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, you need to go to Help Center field at the bottom of the PC game site. So what we will do is we will go to the PC.games website, and this is how it will look. Once you are in the website, you just have to scroll down till the bottom part. In the bottom part, you will be able to see an option for Help Center. Now, I'll just wait for the website to load up. And after that, you just have to locate self-exclusion section. And in the self-exclusion, you just have to select for how much time you want to, like self-exclude. Self-excluding mean you're actually, you want to remove yourself from the platform. You just have to select permanent and you will be able to do it something like that. Now, in this case, as you can see, this is how it will look. So I'm just going to click on this website so it can take me to my website. Now here, I will just simply, scroll down to the bottom part. In the bottom part, I'll be able to find the, like help center section. But in my case, I'm not logged in. But in your case, you'll be able to see all the options according to this. So you just have to go to self-exclusion, request self-exclude, change the option to permanent. And that's how I'll be able to delete your PC game account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.